G'day everyone. We're here to pick up a free tree. It's part of the initiative to help feed the rare and endangered black cockies around the place. So this lovely lady over here, we'll have a chat to in a second, has arranged that we can get trees to plant in our yard that'll grow and feed the lovely little birds. And I should point out that we've had some really nice people help out as well. If we wander over here, we've got lots of Richgro. What have we got? We've got cow manure and organic compost that they've donated so that we can get these trees in, keep them healthy, and give them the best chance to grow. So let's go over and have a quick chat to the organiser. She can tell us a little bit about what they're doing. Right, we're with Kendal, who's the wonderful organiser of this program to help our black cocky population. So would you like to tell us a little bit about it?
It's our project that we've done in the town of Vic Park, who were offering up a grant to plant trees to support their urban canopy, and I thought it was a really good chance to use it to plant cockatoo food, because we've got 3 species of black cockies in southwest WA, and they're not found anywhere else in the world. They're all facing extinction, and they all have a lot of threats like habitat clearing. They get hit by cars. They face introduced competition. They've got no breeding spaces left. And more recently, they've been running out of food. And we've been having really big numbers having to go to Perth Zoo with nothing wrong with them, not hit by cars, not attacked by anything. They've just run out of energy and can't fly. And they're coming in at half their body weight and totally emaciated and starving to death.
And they're a beautiful bird.
They're the most beautiful bird. Yeah. They're my favorite thing in the whole world. They're far better than humans. They're really gentle, which is one of their down. It works against them. They're easily bullied away from their preferred spaces by much smaller birds. And yeah, we're really, really lucky to have them around, and everybody loves them. But I think not enough people realize just how critical it is to work hard to keep them in our sky.
Yeah, well, it's a great thing you're doing here, and we'll get our tree in.
Thank you.
Hopefully get a few more of the black cockies around.
Thank you. Yeah, we're planting nut trees. We're going to plant over 60 in the end. We're giving away about 40 something today. We've got pecans, almonds, and macadamias going in. The macadamias are the little ones, and we're planting the introduced nuts because that's going to give them this much more energy and protein than if they were to visit the equivalent amount of native Banksias. And we just don't have enough native Banksias around for them. So they're not going to have to fly as far to get a really good feed.
That's good. Well, as I said, they love my kaffir plum, and
thank you so much for posting that.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for
thank you for the tree. I haven't got an almond tree. I've got a couple of pecan trees. So
beautiful.
Yeah, and I'm quite happy to share with the birds.
Thank you.
In fact, I got all my figs this year. So
I'm so glad.
All right. Well, thanks for your time, and thanks for the tree.
Thank you.
And we'll get back and plant it.
Thank you so much. Please let me see how it goes.
I will. Let's wander up and see. Nearly done. The almond tree is in, and I've made a nice little tub around it so we can keep the water in. We're going to top dress with this cow manure, wonderful stuff that Richgro donated. Not too thickly, probably 2 inches. Then water that in. As it breaks down, I'll keep adding more cow manure to the top, and that way we give the roots a bit of protection. Admire my dead motorbike, and this will help cover it up. But food for our wonderful black cockies. Thank you, town of Vic Park, and the lovely lady who organised all this. Now this is nice. Not sure if they'll stay on there, but we've got some blooms on our tree here. Hopefully they'll stay, and we'll get a few almonds. For the cockies, of course, not for us. Another one of my little favourites, woolly wagtails. They can become very, very friendly. Hope you can hear him whistling there. How scared is he of us? A little bit. He'll become more friendly. Enjoy life. Catch you with the cockies.